not driving. He is!
Hello.
Driving in his Corsa.
Fuck off.
Where are we going?
Your dad's house.
Why?
بعد 400 متر عند الدوار انعطف يسارا.
Yeah, that's... We can't explain.
Ignore the Arabic lady, she's fine.
Yeah,
She's
right.
gonna
So
start
where am I going at the roundabout? I don't understand Arabic.
Why don't you understand Arabic? Who doesn't?
Am I going straight over?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I probably should slow down.
Maybe. Right. So, because I forgot my car.
عند الدوار
Shut up.
انعطف يسارا.
Okay.
As you look at that, I'm actually using third gear for once.
She is not going to be a feature of the series.
I think the first time today I'm using third gear.
I don't know if I've ever seen you use third gear. So, yes, I'm going to get my card. We've already been and got the... That's your jacket. The ATF fluid. You followed.
بعد كيلومتر ونصف عند الدوار واصل إلى الأمام.
I'm intrigued to see how loud that is on the video.
They're probably going deaf.
I probably will have to turn it down a bit, yeah.
Oh, definitely. So, we're going to get my car and then what are we going to do?
We're going to fill the BMW with the ATF fluid.
Yeah.
And then magically, we need to get it started to test if that's actually fixed the problem. But I don't know how we're going to start it.
بعد 400 متر عند الدوار واصل إلى الأمام.
Kind of hoping that it doesn't, because something may have happened with the new power steering pump.
Straight over.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll report back once we get back to the BMW and we have more money.
عند الدوار.
I've done a proper tour of all of our equipment, be it transport, actual tools, anything like that. So, we decided to start over here because this is a familiar sight. The horror. That is our engine.
Yeah. This is the engine to the project car, the BMW. It still doesn't have a badge.
That didn't help. Right.
There's a badge on this car everywhere but where it needs to be.
Yeah. Right. Now, ignore the interior. From there. These are the tools of the trade.
Yes. And a steering wheel.
That's spoilers.
Yeah, you'll see in a minute. Yeah. Would you like to talk me through it?
So, test battery health, and of course the coolant. We have
Multimeter.
multimeter, which I can't open the back of. Usually set to direct direct current 20.
Yeah. Because with cars, the most voltage you usually expect is 12. So,
Yeah.
there you go.
I've got a full set of ratchet spanners, actually rather expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Got the newly acquired jumper cables, which will be useful, I imagine.
Yeah. I imagine that would be useful.
Toolkit one.
Yep.
This is mine. This has everything in it. It's a little bit rusty for some reason. Obviously not great,
Yeah.
but it cost me enough, so. Toolkit 2, for when Callum needs to do or wants to do something.
Fuck
Don't
off.
look at me like that. Got the jack.
I do stuff.
Example of screwdrivers, didn't bother getting any flatheads out. And the
They're
stuff,
lying around
and
somewhere.
the stuff that's meant to hold the car up.
Yep.
Somehow.
Should we move on to the interior of the BMW? The horrors.
Only one does it. You talking through that?
Right. So, we've got our jerry can. You've seen this in one of the first episodes. When, yeah, you having fun up there?
Yeah, I'll let you help my ass.
Yeah, so we used that when we were in to be able to fill the BMW. As you'll notice, the steering wheel's gone.
I've been busy.
Yeah. I just showed spoilers for later on down there, but oh well.
One of my boots that I...
Okay. So yeah, self-explanatory in here, isn't it? Yeah, here's the interior completely of the BM. Got the owner's manual and other crap in there. Bar for the jack.
So. Right, you done the interior?
Yes.
I would open the boot, but
There's stuff on it.
it's occupied, and you've seen it before.
Yeah, you've seen enough of the boot. Right, now, should we move on to something you don't actually get to see on camera that often?
Transport.
Sport vehicles, yeah. Transport. Main one you have seen.
It has done
A lot.
almost 500 miles today.
Yeah.
So,
How many miles has it got in total?
109,000 something. Get the exact figure. 109,676 miles.
Yeah.
1,662.3 since we took the battery off.
Yeah. So yeah. 1.2 Skoda Fabia.
So move on to the newest support vehicle with the smallest battery in the world.
Yeah. This one's mine. It's Vauxhall Corsa.
1.2.
1.2 twin port.
Oh, for getting specific, mine's a 1.2 HTP.
Yeah, but it's a comfort edition.
That's what gives it the HTP. Fantastic. And pretty much everything you see on the outside of mine is aftermarket.
Yeah. Mine's stock.
Will it be forever?
Depends how much money I've got.
Not if I get hold of it.
One thing that does annoy me, this doesn't fit and it spills everywhere.
Does it not?
No, it'll pop off. Like, it'll pop on, fine. But I guarantee I'll drive that home and it'll come off.
Superglue.
It's only washer fluid.
Superglue.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? What's wrong with that?
Because I'm like...
Right. Shall I go through the interior of yours while I tidy the interior of mine? There's packets everywhere. I was hoping.
Well, there's nothing to show on mine, is there?
Well, give me a minute to tidy mine up. Tidy them over. I know they can. Mine's disgusting.
Yeah. I think everyone knows what a Vauxhall
Make
Corsa
sure
looks
if
like.
it runs
Yeah.
over 5 minutes.
Everyone knows what a Vauxhall Corsa looks like. No, I'm good. Later. Later, I'm filming. Yeah, this is mine. It's clean because I just got it. Don't know how long it'll stay clean for. But oh well. Should we move on to the idiot's Skoda?
Not ready yet.
Okay, so now we're on the car you've seen a lot of. The Skoda.
Yeah, Skoda Fabia.
Yeah. So, custom radio.
Everything in aftermarket.
Yeah. It's quite a nice car. Skodas get like a lot of abuse.
Because of their past. Understandably so.
Yeah, but this is actually a nice car, having driven this car as well.
Yeah. Behind that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Behind the wreck of the BMW that is just over there.
It's a lot roomier than the Corsa.
Yeah, it's a bigger car. A much bigger car. 175 miles today. Oh yeah, this one's 5 doors, unlike mine, which is 3 doors.
Yeah. I'm sure that's meant to happen.
What? I'm gonna assume not. Right. I think, as far as I know, that's the setup tour over. Should we stop procrastinating and go work on the Oh, yeah.
This has the biggest. Ignoring the blue thing, has the most paperwork ever.
Mm.
Bar one.
Yeah. So let's go work on the BMW.
Aye.
Yeah. Right. We're gonna try and jump the car.
What?
We're gonna try and jump the car. Filming.
Pass me your nipple.
No, because that's attached to the battery.
I know it's live. Pass me your nip.
No.
And then dick. That would help more.
Attach it. Yes, it would.
Why?
I don't know.
Don't have a penis. Don't know what it's like.
The windscreen wipers came on. Yeah, but I don't think that's enough start. Take it out of first gear first. Yeah, but I didn't think you'd remember to do it. I'm standing away. Oh! Bloody hell. Turn the wheel. I can see something. Turn the wheel. Jesus Christ. What? Yeah, I can tell that. I can tell. There was a gurgling noise coming from the power steering reservoir.
What?
We're gonna forget that's down. There was a gurgling coming from the power steering reservoir.
That's good.
I don't know whether it is. Because it means there's air in the system.
No, it's good that we're bleeding it out.
Just keep turning the wheel. Ah! Ah! Died.
Is that as good for you as it was for me, darling?
That sounded horrible. Topped up. Right, stop the reservoir and turned it on. Let's have a look how much is left.
Someone's come back.
Someone's come back, yeah. Right, you stand here and film the reservoir. I'll turn the wheel, see what happens to it.
Don't turn it on.
I'm not turning it on, I'm turning the wheel.
Good. Stop mumbling.
What?
Shut up. I don't think he knows what he's doing. Carry on. Just carry on. I'm trying to make him carry on for as long as possible, just to be a dick. I'm not sure if he'll notice.
You will when he edits it, I'll tell you that much.
Keep going.
Fuck you.
Come on.
This thing is so heavy.
Don't swear at me.
The nerve of some people, right?
Right, stand back.
Oh, Jesus. Lid on?
What?
Lid on?
No, keep an eye on it. Ready?
If this goes over me, I'm running you over.
It won't stay back.
Stay back. It wasn't the ball. Got it.
Well, what happened? Go on then. Start her up. God, I'm terrified of this guy. Yeah, start both up. Smoother. We're getting there. Back to centre, come on. Nearly there. You're about there now, yeah. Steering wheel could not be less aligned if we tried.
I tried my hardest.
Yeah, right, come on then. What do you want me to do?
Take off the negative and positive terminal.
Oh, the positive terminals are still... You arse.
Negative first.
Really, the thought never occurred to me.
Oh, Jesus! You shit me up.
Yeah, so you're trying to remove this other airbag. How scared are you right now?
I've done this before, but I'm still on brown alert.
For those that don't know, I don't know why no one would know this, but airbags are full of explosives. I think this goes without saying, but do not try this at home.
I am home.
I didn't mean you.
Right, you have got to go. Where do you fix that?
Great, the airbag goes off because that just flies off and hits you in the face.
I think it's supposed to go up there.
It's supposed to.
The reason why I'm doing it with this is it doesn't reach otherwise.
Yeah.
It's a slightly longer bit. Hey, there's a telephone number. The airbag was made in 1997.
Where's the telephone number? Oh yeah, there it is. It's very small. Should we call it?
It's an 07 number. It's British. Would it be long distance?
No.
What have you just done?
Taking the airbag out.
After that,
Oh yeah, we phoned BMW.
we phoned ZF, which is the company that makes the airbags. They just spouted some German at me and I got very confused and left. But actually, no, they asked for my name and the dealership for BMW for which I work. Now, there's a problem. I don't work for BMW. So I dropped the call and ran away. Then we called BMW Head Office UK.
Yeah.
And the centre is based in the UK, obviously. But this dude with a thick German accent came on and answered our question, set up an account. And I said, I have an airbag on me. What would you recommend I do? And he said, twice, might I add, he repeated himself, I think you should go to the dealer. That's fine. So we left it and decided, well, I might as well take it apart. This one did not agree.
I didn't agree with you jamming the key into an airbag which is full of explosives.
But now I've made a shrapnel bomb. This is going on the internet, isn't it?
Yeah, why am I still in the car? This would definitely get, like...
Demonetised.
Well, it wouldn't be monetised in the first
Yeah,
place.
exactly. So there's no loss.
Mate,
See, that is why we censor the number plate, so the police can't find out where I live.
Yeah, well, I can't bother this.
Ah! Medic! Can't help!
He's stuck.
Ow! I'm actually stuck.
But yeah, we're done for today.
You didn't record that, did you?
Oh, no, I was looking away.
Good.
Did you do what you think of it?
Yeah. Nipple.
Yeah.
Not recommended.
Really? Never would have noticed. Anyway. See you in the next episode. Oh.